Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Sorcerer Mickey from Fantasia. So first let's get started by curving this line around and then down. And we're going to do the same thing on the right, and we're just going to start by drawing in our hands. From that point we're going to curve this line across and out. Now from here, as we move up and towards the middle, I'm going to curve this line back down for our center finger. Now as we move back up again, we're going to curve this line down and across. Now from here for the thumb, we're going to arch this line around and then down. And then now in the middle, we're just going to curve this line back up. Moving underneath for the wrist, we're going to arch this line around, back up. Let's continue to draw in the arms, and then we're going to draw in the face behind. So as we come underneath, we're going to draw in a nice big curved line from left to right. And then as we move in towards the middle, we're going to replicate that again. Now let's draw in our arms on a diagonal. So we're going to bring this line out on both sides. And now coming over towards the inside, we're going to curve this line down. And then we're going to do the same thing on the right, arching that line out, as well as on the left. Now let's move up and draw in the face. So we're going to start with the top of the hat, curving this line over, and then we're going to drop down, replicating that again. Now coming down underneath for the bottom of the eyes, we're going to draw in a small arch line. And then on the right and left hand side, we're just going to draw in an oval for each pupil. Now as we come in towards the top, we're going to draw in a small circle. Moving underneath, let's draw in a sideways oval for the nose. Now on the top in the middle, we're going to curve two lines that join in the center. And then on both sides again, arching this line around and in towards the middle. Now from this point, we're going to curve this line over and out. Moving underneath for the mouth now, in the corner, we're going to curve this line up on both sides. And then in the middle, arching this line over and across. Underneath, let's draw in a nice big arch line, closing off the bottom of the mouth. For the tongue, we're going to arch this line over, replicating that on the right. Now for the chin, arching this line back up on the side. And then again, we're going to do the same thing on both sides. Now let's draw in the hat. So on the left-hand side, we're going to arch this line out, curving this down and over on the right. For the ears, we're going to draw in a half circle on both sides, curving this across. In the middle for the moon, we're going to draw in the letter C. And then starting on the top again, curving this line around and then back up. Now for the star, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes in. We're going to bring this line out and then back in on the side. From that point, bringing this down and then up. And then we'll bring this line across again and out. Now on the right, we're going to bring this line out and then in. And then from that corner, bringing this line down and across. Now on the left, we're going to bring this diagonal line in and then back out. Again, bringing this line down and then in. From that corner, bringing this line up and across. Now let's move underneath, and we're going to draw in a nice big curved line from left to right. In the middle, we're going to curve this line across, and then we're going to move up on the right and replicate that. Now in the center of the robe, we're going to draw in a small circle. On both sides, we're going to arch this line out and then in towards the middle. Now as we come out on both sides, we're going to curve this line down. And then underneath, we're going to curve this line back under and across. Now for the right-hand side of the robe in the center, we're going to curve this line around and then up. And then moving up again, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And on that side, just curving this line back up towards the top. On the side now, we're going to curve this line out. On the left-hand side, we're going to arch this line out and then in for the left-hand side of the robe. Moving up again, arching this line out and then back in. And then from that corner, curving this line back out again. Now from here, we're going to arch this line over on both sides. For the legs now, on the left-hand side, we're going to arch this line in on both sides. And then we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. In the center, let's arch this line across. And now on both sides, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes out. Now for the foot on the top, we're going to curve this line out and then down. And then starting again from the inside, we're going to curve this line all the way around and then in, making sure that connects towards the side. Now from here on the inside, we're going to curve this line up. As we come in on the heel, we're going to arch this line back in. And then on the inside, curving this line back across again. And then now from here on the bottom, closing off the robe, just curving this line in. And that is it. That's how you draw Sorcerer and Mickey from Fantasmic. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's tutorial, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.